16 foods with zero carbs and sugar. Surely you have wondered many times, will this food make us fat, or will eating this food help me lose weight? Logically, don't worry, because that is the common mentality of all those who are obese. There have been many people who failed and gave up in the process of losing weight because they accidentally ate foods that already contained a lot of sugar and carbs, and this only made their obesity worse. The consequences related to cardiovascular disease, diabetes, arthritis, heart attack, stroke. Hello Health Facts family. Understanding everyone's concerns and worries, we have researched, analyzed, and tested on tens of thousands of weight loss cases around the world to find 16 foods with zero carbs and sugar. These foods have been proven to be very healthy and contain very little sugar and carbs. Moreover, when you eat these 16 foods, it also provides many natural nutrients to help the body heal all other underlying diseases. Hearing this, you must be very eager to know, right? Okay, let's dive in. Number 1, kale. Kale stands out as one of the most nutrient-packed superfoods globally, offering a wealth of health benefits. This leafy green vegetable is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to combat chronic inflammation in the body. Additionally, kale provides an abundant supply of essential nutrients and energy. Notably, it contains no carbohydrates, instead offering beneficial fiber that supports digestive health and promotes overall well-being. 2. Eggs. Eggs are nature's perfect food, supplying all the essential components for life while being entirely free of carbohydrates and sugars. These nutrient powerhouses are loaded with proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, making them indispensable for cellular repair and growth. Their nutrient profile supports muscle development, immune function, and overall vitality, establishing eggs as a cornerstone of a low-carb, nutrient-dense diet. 3. Pecan nuts. Pecan nuts are an exceptional snack for those seeking to maintain a low-carb lifestyle, containing only a minimal amount of net carbs and a generous dose of dietary fiber. They are an excellent source of key minerals that nourish and restore the thyroid gland, contributing to hormonal balance. Moreover, pecan nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for reducing inflammation and enhancing cardiovascular and brain health. 4. Cheese. Cheese serves as a delicious and nutrient-rich addition to any diet, particularly as a source of fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, D, and K2. These vitamins play a crucial role in calcium absorption, strengthening bones, teeth, and nails. Additionally, cheese is packed with healthy fatty acids and proteins that support brain function, making it an excellent choice for maintaining cognitive health while adhering to a low-carb lifestyle. 5. Chicken. Chicken stands out as a versatile, lean protein source that is exceptionally nutrient-dense. This white meat is loaded with essential minerals like iron and potassium, along with a robust supply of protein and B vitamins. These nutrients collectively play a pivotal role in enhancing cardiovascular health and fortifying the body's energy reserves. Moreover, the consumption of chicken has been shown to elevate serotonin levels in the brain, helping to alleviate symptoms of depression and improve mental well-being. Importantly, chicken is naturally free of carbohydrates and sugars, making it an ideal choice for low-carb diets. 6. Butter. Butter, especially pure varieties untouched by vegetable oil blends, is a powerhouse of natural fats and nutrients. It is particularly valued for its richness in vitamin A, which supports optimal eye health, vibrant skin, and shiny hair. This dairy product also provides bioavailable calcium, crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Unlike many other dietary fats, butter offers a natural balance of essential fatty acids, which are critical for cellular health. With zero carbohydrates and sugars, it serves as a perfect complement to ketogenic and low-carb meal plans, adding flavor and nutritional value. 7. Beef. Beef, a classic staple of many diets, is a nutrient-packed red meat that offers an excellent source of vitamin B12, essential for neurological function and red blood cell formation. Known for its ability to support muscle growth and recovery, beef is also a top choice for those seeking sustained energy. Like chicken, it contains no carbohydrates or sugars, making it a highly compatible food for low-carb and ketogenic lifestyles. Its rich protein content and essential amino acids further enhance its reputation as a cornerstone of a balanced diet. 8. Salmon. Salmon exemplifies the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a critical role in reducing inflammation and promoting heart and brain health. As a low-carb, high-protein food, salmon is particularly beneficial for individuals focused on weight management and improving overall well-being. Regular consumption supports the central nervous system, enhances cognitive function, and contributes to healthier skin and hair. With its lack of carbohydrates or sugars, salmon is not only a nutritional powerhouse, but also a versatile ingredient in countless healthy recipes. 9. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a highly nutritious natural oil that delivers a concentrated source of healthy fats without any carbohydrates or sugars. This oil provides an excellent alternative fuel for the body, enhancing mental clarity and overall health. Incorporating extra virgin coconut oil into your cooking can replace less healthy vegetable oils, significantly improving the nutritional quality of your meals. Its ability to support energy metabolism and health makes it a staple in low-carb diets focused on longevity and vitality. 10. Green tea. Green tea is universally recognized as one of the healthiest beverages, containing no carbohydrates or sugars. Its high chlorophyll content delivers potent antioxidants that work at the cellular level to repair tissue and combat inflammation. Regular consumption of green tea aids in weight management and reduces chronic inflammation. This timeless drink offers a refreshing and effective way to support your body's natural healing processes while enjoying a sugar-free, carb-free lifestyle. 11. Watermelon. Watermelon is a naturally sweet fruit with minimal carbohydrates and natural sugars, making it an ideal option for those on a low-carb diet. Its high fiber and mineral content support digestive health by cleansing the digestive tract and maintaining colon function. Choosing watermelon as a snack or dessert offers a satisfying and healthy alternative to processed foods like cookies, bread, and pastries. Its hydrating properties and natural sweetness make it a delightful choice for any health-conscious individual. 12th. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable celebrated for its exceptional anti-inflammatory properties and dense antioxidant content. These compounds, including unique groups shown to inhibit cancer cell growth, make cauliflower an essential food for disease prevention. Its adaptability in recipes, from rice substitutes to mashed dishes, makes it a popular choice for health enthusiasts. With zero sugars and carbs, cauliflower is a powerhouse vegetable that supports overall wellness and culinary creativity. 13. Blackberries. Blackberries are a remarkable fruit, containing only a minimal amount of natural sugars, making them an ideal choice for those aiming to reduce their carbohydrate intake. These berries are packed with antioxidants and natural pigments, which play a significant role in supporting the body's healing processes and improving brain function. Due to their low glycemic index and high fiber content, blackberries can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to a healthy, balanced diet. 14. Bananas. Bananas are a naturally sweet fruit known for their rich nutrient profile and energy-boosting properties. They are an excellent source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure and supports muscle and nerve function. Bananas also provide dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. While bananas do contain natural sugars, their low glycemic index means they release energy slowly, making them a great choice for sustained energy levels. Rich in vitamins like B6 and C, bananas contribute to immune health and overall vitality, making them a versatile and nourishing addition to a balanced diet. Number 15, mint. Mint is among the healthiest herbs, offering a combination of refreshing flavor and impressive health benefits. Its active compound, menthol, is known for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, which aid in healing and relaxation. Free of sugars and carbohydrates, mint can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes and beverages. Besides enhancing flavor, mint promotes digestive health, alleviates headaches, and improves overall well-being, making it a valuable ingredient in both culinary and medicinal applications. Number 16, turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful spice renowned for its exceptional healing properties. Its active component, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent that supports the management of numerous health conditions. Turmeric has been shown to aid in weight loss, reduce blood pressure, and alleviate depression. To boost its absorption, combining turmeric with black pepper is recommended. This golden spice not only enhances the flavor of meals, but also serves as a cornerstone for maintaining overall health and vitality. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods like kale, broccoli, watercress, spinach, bok choy, beet tops, arugula, and cauliflower is essential for maintaining a low-carb diet. These vegetables are rich in fiber and antioxidants while being low in carbohydrates. Be cautious with fruits, as many contain fructose, a natural sugar that can trigger insulin spikes, potentially hindering weight loss. Opt for high-quality grass-fed meats that are unprocessed to ensure optimal nutrient intake, and avoid hidden additives. Making these dietary choices will support natural healing and sustainable health goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Adopting a diet focused on 16 foods with zero carbs and sugar is a powerful step toward improving your well-being and vitality. By choosing nutrient-dense, low-carb options like kale, eggs, salmon, and green tea, you're not just fueling your body, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. Remember, change takes time and consistency, but every small effort adds up. Stay committed, believe in your ability to transform, and embrace this positive lifestyle change. At Health Facts, we are here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. For more tips and insights, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Together, let's make healthier choices and achieve our wellness goals. Don't forget, your health journey starts now with Health Facts as your trusted partner.